The next thing that I'm going to show you is under the drive, there is an icon that has a world and a magnifying glass. When you go into that, you're going to be able to do a search, and you can go to images. You can also stay on and actually go to a document. But in the very top, you're going to notice that there's green scissors, and that circle, if you click on it, will allow you to crop anything. Around that square, you're going to have these little dots. You're going to grab onto those dots. You're going to bring them down to where you would like them to be, up and down. And then once you have it, you can just click on it, and it will move to the right and actually go on your Jamboard. So if students are researching and they're bringing out something, they can do it that way. Another way is to go to the one underneath it. It has an image with the magnifying. So if you click on that one, you're going to notice that when you look up Apple Orchard, they're already going to give you a whole bunch of images. When you do that, you're going to click on an image and it's going to go off to the right. You'll also notice that sometimes you're going to have those squares. If you click on the square in the corner where the Apple Orchard is in the top one here, if I would click on that, it would make multiple copies. And then I could send those copies through to different pages if I wanted to, and make sure everybody had a copy of something if it was an interesting fact or feature. The next thing you can do is you can add stickers. They are very different faces and different things that you can put on there. This would be good like once you're grading it perhaps, or the students are reacting to it. You also have speech bubbles that you can add, and then they'll be able to actually write in them. And you will also be able to copy those as well. Just like on the other side, you have the Post-it notes, and of course you can change the colors of those as well. The last way to bring images onto the Jamboard is through the camera. By clicking on the camera, you'll be directed to your photos. Once in your photos, keep in mind that newer images may not sync immediately, yet they'll be available for later use. So I'm going to choose an image that's further down. I'm going to click on that image so that I have the blue check mark, and then in the very top with the check mark on the right, I'm going to click it, and then I'll be able to resize it the way that I would like. In the next video, you will learn how to save your Jamboard.